everyone, and welcome back. My name is Nick with STEK-USA, and today we're here at Luxury Vehicle Wraps in Silicon Valley, California. Our subject for today is this Tesla Cybertruck. Now, this vehicle is one of the first 3 Tesla Cybertrucks delivered to its owner, and the owner has driven a whopping 8,000 miles on this vehicle already. After staring at this bare finish for quite a while, the owner decided he wants to do something a little bit different, and we're going to be wrapping this truck in our new, updated DYNOpurple. The team here at Luxury Vehicle Wraps has already done a full wash, decontamination on this truck to make sure that it's ready for the new film to go down, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into this install. As you can see, the team at Luxury Vehicle Wraps has completed the full color change on this, and I've got Michael here with me. Michael, what do you think of the new color on the truck?
You know, it has grown on me quite a bit. The Cybertruck, when you first see it, it's kind of a lot with that stainless really in your face. I think the DYNOpurple did an excellent job of toning that down, and it actually just makes it kind of a sleeker ride, in my opinion.
I totally agree. It's a very flattering color on the truck, and to Michael's point, I think a dark color looks really good on these trucks. For those who are familiar with our DYNOpurple film, this is a new updated version, and if you've seen our previous version, this is a little bit lighter in color and has much more metallic flake to it.
And for those that are interested, if you've had your car in the version 1 of the DYNOpurple, it won't be an exact match, so that is something to keep in mind. I think this new purple is going to really let that metallic flake show, and you'll get a little bit more attention with the color being a little bit more obvious than on the darker version 1.
Absolutely. I think it's a very welcome change.
And so Nick, talk about a little bit of the properties maybe of the top coat. What's going to make it easier to care for us?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're familiar with paint protection film, our full line of Fashion Film has the same technology as our clear film like DYNOshield, and one of the biggest features of this film, and one of my personal favorites, is that Dyno top coat. Oh, That's slick. So it's got a ceramic-infused top coat, much like a ceramic coating that's going to create a hydrophobic surface that's going to make the car much easier to clean, much easier to care for, and stay clean longer. So I think with these Cybertrucks, you're going to see a lot of people choosing the paint protection film route or a fashion film to give it a different look, but also make it easier to care for.
As we get some close-up detail shots, you guys will really just see that the finish is super reflective. It is of a paint quality, and you won't get that same finish out of a vinyl. So if you're considering, oh, how do I color change my Cybertruck? Well, color change PPF really is the best way to go, in our humble opinion. And a lot of that rock chip protection is coming from just using a different base plastic than you see in traditional vinyl color change. And it is 8 mils thick, which is 2 to 3 times thicker than most vinyls again. So between just the more elastic and durable material, as well as the thickness, it's really worth your money in the upgrade that you're gonna receive to protect your investment, get the most out of your truck, no matter where you're gonna drive it.
We're keeping that surface protected underneath, helping maintain the value of the vehicle and giving it a whole new look at the same time. Well, I think we've talked a lot about the film. I think we should let them see it.
Yeah.
If you're interested in getting DYNOpurple paint protection film installed on your vehicle, be sure to check us out online at STEK-USA.com. We have a full line of fashion films to get your vehicle suited to whatever you're looking for, or if you're just looking for a clear paint protection film, you'd like to color your car, we've got you covered there as well. If you're in the San Francisco area, be sure to check out Luxury Vehicle Wraps. We'll be able to get you all taken care of. And if you're not in the Bay Area, check out our installer locator on the website. Once again, we want to give a huge thank you to the Luxury Vehicle Wraps team. They did a wonderful job on this project, and we wouldn't have been able to make it happen without them. So thank you very much to the guys here. We'll see you in the next one.